Angel food cake pans are essential kitchen tools for anyone who loves baking light and fluffy cakes. There are many products available to choose Angel food cake pans, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best Angel food cake pans from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Nordic Ware Natural Aluminum Commercial 2-Piece Angel Food Pan. The Nordic Ware Natural Aluminum Commercial 2-Piece Angel Food Pan is a durable and efficient bakeware made of pure aluminum that prevents rust and ensures even baking of goods. Its superior heat conductivity guarantees that your cakes rise and bake evenly, and the bottom is removable, allowing easy cake removal. The pan is easy to clean, but hand washing is recommended. It measures 9.375 by 9.375 by 4.25 inches, and it is globally sourced. Number 2. Hongbake Angel Food Cake Pan. The Hongbake Angel Food Cake Pan with removable bottom is a versatile and durable baking tool that allows easy demolding, making various cakes at will, and using a healthier baking choice. Made of premium extra thick material, it ensures stability, even heat distribution, and durability. The two-piece tube design provides quick, effortless release of baked cakes intact, while the chemical-free, smooth, non-stick surface makes cleaning a breeze. With a 100% satisfaction guarantee, this pan is a perfect addition to any kitchen. Number 3. Fox Run Loose Bottom Angel Food Cake Pan. The Fox Run Loose Bottom Angel Food Cake Pan is a durable and lightweight pan made of aluminum. The mold features a convenient dropout bottom and center tube, which helps create perfect angel food cake every time. Not only is it great for angel food cake, but it's also a great mold for gelatin, ice, and more. Additionally, it's easy to clean, and simply washing it by hand with soap and water will allow it to serve you well for many years to come. Number 4. EFAR Angel Food Cake Pan. The EFAR Angel Food Pan is crafted from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring a healthy baking experience without harmful chemicals. Its sturdy design resists rust and bending, making it durable and dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. The single-piece construction prevents any batter leaks, while the mirror-finish surface allows for effortless cake release. Additionally, this pan promotes even baking, so you can achieve a perfectly risen cake with a lovely golden crust every time. Enjoy baking delicious cakes for any occasion with this reliable and convenient tool. Number 5. Fat Daddios PAF 10425 Anodized Aluminum Angel Food Cake Pan. The Fat Daddios PAF 10425 Anodized Aluminum Angel Food Cake Pan measures 10 inches by 4¼ inches, 25.4 by 10.8 centimeters, and is designed for angel food, pound cakes, streusel cakes, breads, and frozen desserts. The 16-gauge anodized aluminum ensures easy release and cleanup, while heating and cooling quicker to prevent overbaking and dry cakes. It is temperature rated up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, 285 degrees Celsius, and is built to last through daily use in both the home kitchen and commercial establishments.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.